Hey everyone, so I've got my bird feeder here. Now the seller did send this to me so I could go ahead and show you all the features, and there are quite a few here. What I liked about it right away is this top here, it's all metal. The bottom here, this is plastic, nice thick clear plastic, so you can see the food in here. And we've got a wide brim right here. Keep some of the weather and rain off the food that you're going to put in here. If this does get wet on the bottom of the tray, it does have some holes in here, some drain holes. So it does have a 360-degree tray right here. And what I thought was pretty cool is that I've got a couple of squirrels that just kind of love to eat my bird food here. And so what's going to happen is if they get on here and pull on this bird feeder, their weight's going to be on the bottom. What's going to do, you can see here, it actually moves. There's a spring inside here. It's going to close that up and they won't have access to the food at all. Once they get off, it goes right back up. That way a bird can land in here and go ahead and have access to the food all the way around. And this does hold up to 3 pounds. Also, when you hang it off, this is all steel. So if you wanted to, you could go ahead and adjust the length of this by loosening these screws. Other than that, it's going to hang, oh, that's probably about 12 inches or so. And to get the top off, you press that button here, and this just slides up and down. So it's real easy to go ahead and put your bird feeder food right through here. And then you're going to press this button, drop it down there, and that way this isn't going to move at all. Real easy to use. I love my birds eating all the nice food, and it's plenty capacity, so this is going to last me for quite a while, and it's going to keep my squirrels out. Hope you found this helpful.